Just arrived at the beautiful Chesil beach. Drove down with my mate Chris, and we've met my dad, who's walked an awful long way along the beach, so it's quite a tiring walk to get here. But wow, what a beautiful day. Absolutely lovely out there. Dad said that he's already had a mackerel on the spinner within a few minutes of being there, so I feel like that's a good sign, because me and Chris have both brought our feathering rods and some spinning rods as well, so probably just going to set my feathering rod up straight away, try and get a couple of mackerel to use as bait for the rest of the day. A lot of these whitebait have been washed up on shore as well, so I think I might try and stick a couple of these on a float rod potentially, or just put them on some small hooks on a flapper rig, send it in close, maybe catch a little fish on that. Anyway, gonna get my rod set up and start fishing. So after just catching that first mackerel on the float, decided to send my feathers out. Got a triple shot on that. Absolutely loving it. I'm going to give these to Chris because he wants to use them for his pike fishing in the winter. Let's go. It's alive out there. Woo! The mackerel are officially in at Chesil Beach. Just had about 7 within 2 minutes. No, I haven't. Got to fancy a couple more here. You can see them all fizzing in front of me. They're really close in though. Yeah, there we go. Ooh. We're in. God, it's nice to actually catch fish for a change. Oh, look at that bend. Got to be a couple on there. At least a couple. I don't even know if I'd be able to bring in 5 big ones. Another 3. Oh, that's a nice big one. Yeah, that's a big one, we'll keep him. Now have a bash on this if you want.
No, I'm literally backflip on now. I want to have a go with this. This is that old reel I've got.
Oh yeah, oh that looks alright.
Yeah, it's just an old sea reel. So.
Don't know if you can see in the video, but it is absolutely swarming out there with fish.
No, I need a full fix.
Can you see that? It's literally black, mate.
Yeah.
Holy cow. The whole sea in front of me is just completely black with whitebait. Mental. Yeah. These guys are a little bit too small, so I'm going to throw these back. Woo! How many we got here then? Wow!
What a beast!
Look at that absolute monster!
He's going in the bucket!
Yeah. Wow!
Oh, mate.
He is a big boy.
What a unit!
Lovely stuff. So this is why I call myself a tangled angler, because I always seem to have an absolute stinker. Getting caught up, tangled. Oh dear, how's that happened? What are you gone for?
A whitebait and rag cocktail.
What fish could resist that?
Exactly, mate. Bulging eyes and all sorts.
Wow, that looks good enough to eat.
Yeah, he shouldn't have followed his own bait.
No, we probably didn't need to.
Okay.
We probably didn't need to buy bait. Dad's just had a bite. You feel it?
Yeah, yeah. It's not huge, but
Result.
definitely in. Been out there about half an hour as well.
Is that a new rod?
Yeah.
When did you get that?
Monday. Seems like a little bream to be honest. Yeah, I got it a real fun on Monday.
Oh, nice. Is it a heavier sort of one?
It's got a bit more oomph to it.
Looks lush.
Funny with that with the first fish of the day.
Bream.
I'm the man!
Well done, Dad. Nice. What sort of size do they have to be to keep them?
A little bit bigger than that.
Yeah. So I was thinking about trying to cook one up actually.
Yes, well they're delicious to eat, but he's a little bit small.
Yeah.
Right.
Lovely fish though, aren't they?
Yeah, they are beautiful. It's better bait elastic than you had before.
Yeah. Yeah, that stuff's great.
Okay, so you don't want to do it too, there's no need to do a lot, but sort of like that. And then when you finish off, just do about 4 in the same spot and then pull it. Right, and then get your rook. Put that in there, right? Hold it tight like that, and then you just thread it on.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yep.
Alright. Oh, and I'll get you you hang on to that.
I got a bit of squid there.
No, we'll
Oh yeah, a bit of mackerel. Yeah.
8, 9, bang on 10.
10
mate,
is
to
it?
be honest, those 3 small ones in there, if we use those today
For bait,
some
yeah.
mate, if we get chance to get any more big ones,
Yeah.
mate, if we get any more of those,
They're yeah, like the tiger stripes on them are insane.
oh mate, spong.
They are really beautiful fish. Yeah, we'll get a few more later.
Yeah.
It's all gone a bit quiet since Dad's bream. So I think I'm going to change one of my rigs to a flapper rig. Try and get it a bit higher up in the water or something. I don't know. Don't really know what I'm talking about. It's all gone rather quiet, hasn't it?
Yes. Yes, it has. Okay.
This looks so complicated.
I have to look at the video.
Got springs and all sorts.
Oh yeah. It's not the easiest thing. So, what it does is it gives you one bait. It clips it down. It gives you one bait up the line, and it gives you one off the bottom of the lead.
Yeah, oh yeah.
So you know that one wafts more.
think Dad might be into another one here. Seems to be the only one getting any action. Hey!
You're in a... That was that one I just checked out?
Yeah. Do you reckon it had it on the drop or something?
Well, no, but I think he probably folded it down or something.
Is it a tub?
Yeah, I think so. Not a red, is it? Spiky little devils, aren't they?
Yeah.
Have you ever heard them grunt before?
No, I've heard that they do though. God, look at that. Dad's in again. He's putting us to shame. Don't know how he's doing it. You're just showing off now. What does it feel like?
A bit bigger than the last one.
Yeah.
Good bite.
Was it?
Yeah, really good bite.
I'm just glad someone's catching, to be honest. Oh.
That's a proper bream.
Oh, nice, Dad.
That was a beauty. Look at that. Well, I think he's going to come over tea.
Yeah?
Yeah. Come on, boys. That's it. Now we're letting you catch up. We're letting you have a head start, and then we'll. That is a beauty. Yeah, we'll keep.
Yeah, that's
on,
a big one, Dad.
Yeah, that's lovely. What a fish.
Bloody hell. Right, come on, Chris.
Yeah. I think you've got to keep the bait going. You know, change your bait every 20 minutes.
That was the same rod again, wasn't it?
Yeah. And what I've been doing, Jake, is I've been moving the bait every 5 minutes.
Yeah, you've got a rolling lead, have you?
Yeah, well, or just put a grip, just put one out there without the grips in.
Yeah.
And then just move it 2 or 3 turns of the reel. That is a cracking.
Yeah, that's a really nice one.
That's a nice fish, yeah. So you can take that home for your tea.
Wow, yeah, okay.
Or whatever. You say you want. Well, you said you wanted to eat one.
I did, yeah.
I mean, if you don't have it, I'll have it because they're beautiful.
Well, I'll catch my own one and then I'll eat it. I don't want to eat your fish.
That is a quality fish.
Yeah, it tastes a bit sour when you're eating it.
Yeah.
That was a great bite.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm about to send out another one. Come on.
Come on, boys.
Oh, we're into something on the lure here. I don't know if it's a mackerel or something else. Oh! Yeah. I don't know, mate. I think it might be a bass. Oh man, what's going on here? Oh no. Oh,
what a show.
bloody hell. I thought it was a bass.
You thought it was a bass?
Jesus Christ. He was peeling line off the reel. The size of him. Wow.
It's a shame they're not £4, isn't it, really, mackerel?
Yeah. Oh,
What a fight they'd be if they were, though.
what a chunker. Catch of the day so far from Chris. How has that even been hooked?
I hooked it right through the arse end.
What, through the shell?
Yeah.
How on earth that happened? Ooh. There he is. Little hermit.
Through his little blow hole.
Great catch. 3-1. Definitely won't be able to see it in the video, but there's a pod of dolphins a few hundred meters out. Incredible. Yeah. Wow. This place is truly amazing. I don't know. I felt a few little kicks. Yeah. Hey! My first gurnard.
Your first gurnard?
Yeah.
Oh, well done, guys. Well done.
Tiny, but
Well, that's all right.
oh, is that a red one? That's not. That's not.
I think.
Is it? Oh yeah, it is. Oh man, beauty. Oh god. Nice to finally get off the mark with that gurnard there. Just need Chris to get something on the bottom rods now. I have a feeling we'll start getting a lot more bites soon. Hey, nice mate.
That's a big one, that.
Is that your first gurnard as well?
Yeah, mate. First gurnard.
We're all off the mark.
That's it.
Oh, well done, Chris. Is that your first gurnard as well?
That's my first gurnard as well,
Oh,
yeah.
you're both been gurnard versions today.
There you go, that.
They are just. Nice.
That's how you hold them. Yeah, that's a really nice one.
Yeah, it is.
They're quite good for eating as well, aren't
Yeah, they need to be bigger than that, but yeah, they're delicious.
they? Yeah.
That's what it is.
Well done, guys. I'm so pleased you caught fish. And the night has got young.
Yeah.
Look at that sunset.
Should all start kicking off now.
Well, it might be.
Yeah.
A few bream like that big one I caught would be nice, wouldn't it?
Oh yeah, that'd be mega.
Beautiful sunset. The sunsets here are incredible.
Jake said has it shooted me like twice.
Another little tub gurnard. Didn't even know I had him on. Definitely take it though. Oh yeah, I've not seen one of those before. Oh cool.
It's spiky. They're a good live bait for bass.
Are they?
Yeah. I think you took it on the way in, to be honest.
Yeah. There we go, I thought I'd chuck the surface lure out, try and get a bass, and somehow this massive mackerel hit it. Again, I thought I was into a bass, but damn. Look at that, it's half the size of him.
Another beauty.
Another gurnard for
Tubbard.
receipt.
I reckon I'll get one on that other one as well.
Into something here. Don't know what that is. What? It's a double shot gurnard and smooth-hound. A gurnard and a smooth-hound. What on earth? No. That is bizarre. Little baby smooth-hound and a gurnard. On the same bait.
That's amazing. Well done, son.
Like two,
£1 puff and a gurnard.
like two peas in a pod these two.
Brilliant, mate.
So enough messing about now. I'm gonna send out this whole squid with black lug. Hopefully get something a bit bigger. Go on, Chrissy. That is what I was thinking.
Oh man, I don't know if it's just come off. Ah. You see the fight that was giving me?
Yeah, another chubby.
Well hard.
Mate, you're getting nice ones though.
Yeah, it's another big one.
Hold on, mate. It's not big, whatever it is. What? Hey!
Another bobby too.
On the smooth-hounds. Come on!
That's catch of the day though.
There you go. Bloody hell. Use that as bait.
Absolutely petrified, look.
I quite like these little smooth-hound pups. They're so cute. We want its daddy though, don't we?
It's daddy and the rest, mate. You want everything. You want all of it.
You're... Look at this little creature. Whoa! Beautiful fish.
To be fair, mate, that's the first time I've put the rod back.
A big tub though.
Yeah, it is a big tub.
What's your bet?
It's quite a soft rod. Sorry? It's quite a soft rod.
Oh, there's something there, isn't there?
Oh yeah. What we got down there?
Ooh. Oh, it's a ray, mate. Yeah. Oh, it's an undulate ray. An undulate ray. What? Oh, Chris, what a catch. We were just talking about that. Huh?
That's my first ray as well.
Yeah. Oh, mate. What a
A
catch.
lucid ray.
What a catch, mate.
Well done, Chris.
Look at that beautiful fish. Well done, mate.
Well done, Chris.
What was that on? Pretty mackerel.
Well, foul hooked on a piece of squid.
You love a foul hook.
Classic, Chris.
We were just talking about undulate ray, weren't
We
we?
were. What was that, squid or mackerel?
On a piece of squid, I literally did a 3-hook clip down on the squid.
That's good to know. I'm so happy.
Literally, I
with you
kept
as well.
saying to you, didn't I? Like, I just can't catch a ray.
Yeah.
Happy days.
Yeah, it's quite a light rod.
Yeah, it's only a soft rod this one. Quite deceiving.
Yeah, you should have seen that rod when he had some smooth-hound on it.
Yeah, it's only small, whatever it is. Little bastard strap. Classic.
Disappointing.
Ah well. It's a bite though.
Yeah, it's a fish. Eel. Gross.
Oh, by the eyes.
I'll take that. Another species.
I'm going to get my slowly pack up, Jake.
Yeah.
I'm getting cold. Oh, it might be a huss actually.
Oh, it is a huss.
It is a huss.
Hey! A bull huss.
Found it, and let's do a quick video and that's it.
Yeah. Oh, take that. Lovely hookup.
Photo shoot from you?
I'll get this off.
Rectangled angler.
Look at him spitting.
Yeah. Little huss,
Right.
the Jake. They're much stronger than dogfish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't want to be videoed. Ooh.
Ooh.
Oh, you're squirting.
Having a right old spew up
You're
on
a
you.
squirter.
Well done, another species. Well done.
Look at that. Look at those fangs.
Let's see if I can get you because of the flash.
Last cast bass with it.
Yeah, last cast bass.
Last cast magic. Thing that went on the mackerel.
Yes, I know. Yeah. There you go.
I've had 3 subs, 2 and a ray.
I'd love that if this was a bass right now. Mate, it feels alright. What we got?
Mate, you got a fucking undulate.
No.
You got an undulate.
Oh, what? No way, man. What? What a session, man.
Quality, mate.
Buzzing. Oh, just as Dad left as well.
Well done, G.
What a cracking end. Last cast magic, mate.
There you go, mate. Now I've got my phone on the
Yeah.
pictures right there.
Last cast magic.
That's the
Second undulate of the day for the group. Get in.
Your dad's going to be gutted he missed that.
I know. They are such magnificent fish, aren't they? It's swimming towards me, whatever it is.
Oh, mate, it's like another bull, I think.
What is that?
It's either a bull or a dog.
Is it a dog?
I think it's another bull.
Oh, that's a doggy.
Yeah.
Another species.
You're having a belter here, boy.
Come on. I'm gonna have to send the rod out again.
Yeah, mate, do it.
And also that last cast undulate turned out not to be the last cast because we're actually catching fish, so it's hard to stop. But it's midnight right now, and we've got about a half an hour walk back to the car and then an hour and a half drive home, so these have to be the last cast. Otherwise I'm going to be very, very tired tomorrow. Ah,
Ah, dirty eel.
bastard and eel. Haha. Not a bad size one, that.
Ah, mate, that's right.
That's my first eel of the night as well. I think that's a sign to pack this rod away. Right, we're going to call it a night there. Had a phenomenal session, probably the best one I've ever had. I think we had about 10 species in total. I think I caught the majority of my fish on mackerel, actually, the fresh mackerel that we caught earlier. Yeah, Chris has filled his bucket up with mackerel ready for winter season, and yeah, it's lovely to be out with my dad and my friend. Until next time, thanks for watching.